Hello everyone, nice to meet you again with the Disney 3D Art channel. In today's video it will be the character Bingo from series Puppy Dog Pals. The name Bingo sounds exactly like the name of a children's song, now let's listen. Okay, let's stop listening to music. Listening too long until the end of the song may be copyrighted. Now is the main content of the character. Bingo is a fun-loving pug puppy who is one of the two main protagonists, along with Rolly, from the 2017 animated Disney Junior series Puppy Dog Pals. His younger puppy self also exhibits the same features except for the smaller size. Depending on the situations, he wears none or a variety of collars, all of which are blue and accompanied by an electric sign in line with the character theme. Different times also calls for different costumes for his appearances. He is the older brother of Rolly. First is to draw the gray body of the puppy, then wear the blue bead stick the lightning for Bingo. Next is to decorate the face for Bingo, then draw 4 legs and stick the puppy tail. Finally, attach 2 puppy ears for Bingo. So the character Bingo from series Puppy Dog Pals has been completed. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to receive the new notify. At the same time, download the app and go to the website DisneyStore to shopping online, as well as Disney Plus to watch some movies and TV shows for free, used by many peoples of the world. Okay, thanks for watching and see you next time.